Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to fix iPhone flashlight not working. Firstly, you need to launch this kind of box in your home screen, and there you can see the flashlight icon. You have to simply keep on tapping on it. Now here all you need to do is increase the light section. This may be one of the reasons why your flashlight is in dim mode. Another option is to go to your settings. Now tap on general and then simply tap on software update. Now make sure your iOS is up to date. If not, there you will be seeing an update option. Simply update your iOS. This may be another reason on why your flashlight is not working properly. Even after this, if it is not working, then you have to simply go back. And at the downside, you can see the shutdown option. Tap on it. After that, you can shut down your phone and restart again. And after that, your flashlight may be working. These are some of the steps on how you can fix iPhone flashlight not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.